Hello, I'm Gino. This is my wife Dazzle. Welcome to Dazzle TV. We're here at the seafood stall. It's close to 5 p.m. in the afternoon, and Dazzle, she decided she wanted crab for dinner. So we're gonna get some crab.
Let's go.
As you can see, the seafood stall in the afternoon here gets pretty busy. This is almost 5 p.m. so people are leaving work. So before they head home, they make a pit stop at this seafood stall. Tricycles and motorbikes, cars even, they all pull in here and trying to get their dinner basically. Because there's still a lot of fish, a lot of squid, crab, shrimp, you name it. All the seafood are here. So very busy place, early in the morning and late in the afternoon.
Seafood, mussels, wow, that is big.
This is the stairs going to the third floor restaurant that we're building, and really happy on how these rain guards turn out. This bamboo rain guards, it really looks nice hanging here. So when you come into the resto bar, this kind of blocks this area here, so your focus when you go in is immediately to look right. And this is what you'll see when you enter our resto bar. Just a really nice view of Boracay Island and the ocean. So really nice how that, really like it how that turned out. Dazzle and I, we just bought crab at the seafood stall outside the gate, and we're gonna cook it out here in the balcony. We got our little one burner electric stove here, and we're gonna cook the crab. And we got a couple of small bottles of Sprite. These Sprite are like 15 pesos each, so about 60 cents for these two Sprite. And that's what we're gonna use to cook the crab, because it makes the crab meat taste sweeter. And right now it's a little past 5 p.m. Getting ready for another sunset here in Sambiray, Malay Aklan. And this is just the view again. Watching this kid, he's walking his two goats, and just people hanging out on the beach. There's a couple of people, looks like they're fishing on the pier. There's two people there, looks like they're fishing on the pier. There's the lighthouse, and just gonna wait on sunset. You can see the Parao sailboats from a distance, and the doggies, they're just wandering around here in the balcony. I closed the gate to the second floor, so they're just hanging out here in the balcony. There's Totoy and Chloe somewhere here hiding. Oh, there she is. There's Chloe. Hey baby. And Dazzle, she's just washing the crab, cleaning it before we put it. Oh, she's done. She's right there. Dazzle just washed the crab. Is it good?
Yep.
All right. Do you need me to get the pot? More washing. Okay, Dazzle said needs more washing. I have the alimango inside, still moving. I have the Sprite in there. I only put one of the Sprite, and got alimango is mud crab here in the Philippines. So mud crab, they're freshwater, and they're generally more expensive here in the Philippines because they're bigger, they got bigger meat, even their claws are bigger, so you're gonna get more meat on these mud crabs than you get from alimasag. Alimasag is the sea crab, and those have a tendency to be skinny, less meat. So this crab we paid 600
645 pesos.
45 pesos, 645 pesos.
Yay,
So about
there's still
$11 for these two large crabs, and they're at least over a kilo.
They're over a kilo.
Yeah, they're over a kilo, both of them, because they're huge. You'll see them later when it's cooked. I only put one of the Sprite, babe, and Dazzle's drinking the other Sprite. So I guess we're only going with one Sprite. Is that enough? Is that enough Sprite?
Yes.
Okay.
I drink it
You're
already.
you're drinking the other one. And there's Chloe keeping on. She's my co-pilot, cooking the crab, and Totoy checking out the people on the beach.
The kids.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be enough because there's juice from the crab too, right?
Oh yeah, that's enough.
That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. So that's what's for dinner tonight. It's the alimango, or mud crab.
Mud crab. And your co-pilot is cute.
Oh, my co-pilot is always cute.
Yeah.
She's always, that's her happy place there. She likes to sit with her daddy.
With her daddy.
Yeah. She's a happy doggo when she's like right beside her.
I do.
I thought they do. Oh, that's our guard dog, Totoy. She's always the good guard dog.
Have you talked about Chad?
Chad is gone.
I know.
Yeah, the Parao sailboat Chad is gone. So I was hoping to film the maiden voyage. The first voyage of Chad, but I just woke up one morning and Chad was gone. Yeah, so Chad is probably in Boracay making money for the owner.
Yeah. I think it's gonna be another nice sunset.
Yeah, I can tell. There's some clouds, but we might get a good sunset.
I can see orange cloud.
Yeah. I was showing the blinds, how the blinds really turned out really nice.
Oh yeah, it was.
Yeah,
very
I like
good.
how that turned out. Tomorrow is a decorating day, so tomorrow we're excited because we're gonna decorate the resto bar with all the things that we have gotten so far. So we're gonna have an idea on what the bar will look like.
I know, I'm so excited.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. It's now 6 p.m. and that's the sunset. And there's Dazzle. We just finished cooking the crab, and we're gonna eat it. And these are the crab. This one, this the big one right here. This one's the smaller one, but they both weigh over 1 kilo. Then we have our rice. Got our rice, and I got my vinegar. I like vinegar on my seafood, so. There's Dazzle, and we're gonna go eat it.
Let's go.
Speaker. Nice stuff.
I'm gonna use this, guys.
She's gonna pound it. She's gonna pound the claw. Still hot. I can hear you pounding. There.
Yay!
I like the juiciness.
You want me to eat this for you, my love?
Sure. Pound it. Tasty. Pounding that thing, big girl.
I did. Look at that babe.
All right. Thanks, babe. Dazzle, she pounded the claw. She's a pro at this. lot of meat. Claw, baby. Thanks, baby. All right. Really sweet. I can taste the Sprite now. That's delicious. Delicious. Baby.
Look at my
You want me
claw.
to open your crab?
Oh,
I'm good
yeah.
at opening that.
I'm good at pounding it.
Mm-hmm. I know you like to smack it. Yeah, I'm good at opening it. I know how to open. Ooh, that's a big claw right there, baby.
I know.
Gigantic.
Like this one.
I know.
This one.
I'll take the claw out. Look at that. That's huge. That's like a monster claw. It's like my size of my hand. We got a big crab.
Yeah, it's the size of my hand.
Later. Let it cool off.
I'm still eating the claw.
Yeah, that's it.
Kain kuya.
Para papaulam ah.
Oh, fresh na fresh. Oo. Sige kuya.
Pag isa yan ang umuwi sila.
Ah, umuwi sila.
Oo.
Ah,
Kasi dito naman sa isa.
balik din sila bukas.
Sa akin, napakain ako na yun. Pinch mine. Yung sa'yo, man. It's fighting.
Yeah, it's fighting.
It's bigger, that's
It's
why.
bigger.
Yeah, it's heavier. Got more meat on it. That's why it's fighting for the air. Ah, yeah. Air.
Oh yeah, that look good.
It's good.
Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome, babe.
What am I doing? It's open and I'm like trying to like push it.
You're killing it more.
Yep. What a shock.
Yeah. It's good. I like it.
It's yummy, huh?
Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gino.
And I'm Dazen.
We just started our channel. So if you enjoyed watching the video,
Please grow with us and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
and we are going to keep making videos of our life in Aklan province.
Philippines.